A good day to you all. We welcome you to Solar Hub, JABI, Abuja, where we do anything solar systems. Today, we come with a good news for you. We are offering 10% discount on total items you want to buy from us. We have solar panels of different capacities. We have industrial solar street lights of different capacities. Foldable solar panels of different capacities. Power stations of different capacities, hybrid inverters of different capacities, and here we have 5-in-1 energy storage system, 10 kW inverter and 24 kW lithium battery. Here we also have a 5 kW inverter and 10 kW lithium battery. We have anything you want to do. We really want to help you to light up your world. Go solar today and thank yourself tomorrow.